Alright, so we just took the road back up to Williams Campground. We just entered in here. You guys are familiar with this little start of the trailhead right here. For sure by now. Between a couple years ago and a couple videos back. But we're gonna split left here. Just waiting on Pauline. My Cardo finally did die, guys, so I cannot talk to them. So, just waiting on Pauline, being a nice leader. Just waiting. I don't want to get too ahead. Whew, some of these puddles got a lot deeper. And it's still very slick up here. Very slick up here still. Compared to what we were just riding. And it smells funny over here. Have you ever gone up there and done all that?
I don't think so.
Really? That's a pretty big loop.
Man, I was here a couple years ago and I never could figure out how to get back. Yeah, I remember being here one time at my first.
Okay.
Like my first time up here, but I never could figure out how to get back.
Woo! Ate me up. Woo boy. That one did. Last time I went that way. I'll go this way this time. I haven't been down this one before, so I don't know what I'm in store for. It all depends on how much bigger of a loop you want to do. If you go left, it's smaller. If you go right, it's pretty big, decent size.
We went right yesterday, didn't we?
I think so. Yeah, it's a pretty decent sized loop. We could do that though. Doesn't matter. We can go right. It's good riding, so I'm liking it. All right, I think we took our last little break for the day. Feet are soaked. We could literally wring these things out. Our feet, I feel water sloshing around in the bottom of my boot at this point. I mean, we're all soaked, but we all agreed, damn good ride so far today. Since we got gas, when we got lunch today, I've done another 37 miles. We've done a total of 70.3 from the cabin. I've been tracking the whole time in 5 hours and 55 minutes. That's a good ride. That's a good ride. For the conditions we have, we were just talking, we're very surprised on how good the trails are holding up today. I mean, it's a little slick in spots. Our buddy Doug here, the older gentleman with us, he went down once pretty good. He got wrapped up in a tree section, and the bike went one way, he went the other on his back, and I went down once. So it is what it is, you know? But we're all right. That's all that matters. But so far, man, it's been a great time here at Wayne National Forest. Even though there was rain, and we didn't ride as much as we wanted to, and some of the trails we want to keep riding, like the main corridor that takes us all the way down, you know, to Door Run there, or yeah, we want to ride those corridor trails, those main red trail. I would take that all the way, all day long. But it's just so wet that, as you guys saw from my first video, man, it is just hill climb challenge after hill climb challenge, and we are not getting traction on them, and it's just making it frustrating. So instead of being like that, breaking more stuff on the bike, so on and so forth, we just decided to take the road a little bit. So it's a 5-minute ride this way, 10-minute that way. Either way, you end up getting to some pretty good trails at the end of the day, and it's worth it. So we're gonna loop this back over to the road and head on back to the cabin. Clean up a bit, probably take a nice shower, wring out, well, it feels like my feet are definitely prunes by now. But yeah, there's nothing you can do about it on a day like today. There's just, holy shit, almost went off there. There's nothing you can really do about it. Water is just everywhere today. But like I said, man, in all things considered, these trails are holding up pretty well. So I don't know how they do hold up this well, to be honest with you, but they just seem to hold up this well. So, good to know. And if it's a really muddy day, head on down to Door Run. That's where you're going to get some good riding, and even if it's wet, because those trails are not as slick. She's just trudging through it. Let her go ahead.
I avoided that one on the left because I remembered it was deep.
Yeah. Go ahead. I'll let you go in front because I'm just waiting on you. You know what I mean? Yeah, I know she's just cruising. It's cool. It's the end of the day. I started the day as the caboose, I'll end the day as the caboose. Woo! Yep. Where are they going? How's it going, guys? So that's gonna do it for right now in the trails, ladies and gentlemen. I might film a little tonight of us just hanging out. We gotta load the vehicles and everything tomorrow morning. We have a 8.5 hour ride home tomorrow, and we have to check out by 11, but that means we'd get home sometime around 7, which is fine. Probably like 8 o'clock actually. But if you guys enjoyed this content, once again, I loved being out here at Wayne National Forest. It is an absolute blast. You can't compare these trails to anything that we normally ride, any of the normal content that we put up on the channel, because these trails are just totally different from that style of content. They're just very well maintained, groomed trails. Yes, there's some challenging areas, however, it just downpoured for a week straight here. So take that with a grain of salt. Overall, it's still really, really, really good time here at the trails, and I'm really happy Kyle really liked them as well. So that's all I really wanted, is that Kyle to like them, because he's never really ridden any type of trails like this before. So really good time riding with Doug here. Really good time actually. And yeah, so if you guys like this content, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We got more coming. Pauline's just zooming past in my outro. Oh boy, that's some good stuff. So on that note, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to Pauline's channel, Pauline's Perspective. It'll be linked at the end of the video. Enjoy your day, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Take it easy.